niya alam kung anong gagawin. Drone shot! Isa ka pa. Hey y'all! It is currently 1:54 p.m. Birthday ni Ate Nick. Happy na birthday mo pa. Kasama din namin si Kuya Kim. Slay. Outfit check. Ganda ng outfit niya today. Pero ang mas maganda yung outfit ko pa rin. This is the outfit. Ayun yung bago kong tennis racket to. Ayun o. Ayun o, ayun. Siya nagpo-focus. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Ito yung outfit ni Ate Nick. Medyo ordinary, pero pwede na. Tapos si Gia. Gia's naked. Yeah! Tsaka yung puwet niya, yan o. Oh. Yan o. Oh. Anyway, we're here sa Shang. Kasi nag-lunch kami, birthday ni Ate Nick, so libre niya. And since nandito kami sa Shang, I'm looking for Jolly Cats. Tinry ko din yung Wilson. First time ko sa Wilson na to, so. And then after this, we're gonna go to Mega. I'm not sure what we're gonna do, but yeah. Also, I got a haircut. Much needed haircut kasi sobrang patay na talaga ng buhok ko. So, I got face framing layers. So yeah. Low-key, I really like it. But yeah, this is the outfit. My top is from Resin Recreation. Jeans from Addicted. And then shoes from La Soledad. So yeah. Eto na si Mami.
Ha? Ano?
Happy na birthday mo pa. Okay guys, so we are here sa Mega at Karimadon. And nagsusukat sila Mami. And let's see kung anong itsura. Ito si Ate Chas, first stop. Wow, that's cute. That's really nice. I like that. Jay, what do you think? Rate it from 1 to 10. What's your rating? She said no comment. Hey, maganda yung kay Ate Chess. I really like it. Bagay sa skin color niya, tsaka sa hair style niya. Ito yung kay Mami, maganda sana. Kaya lang I think masikip sa kanya. It's an XS. Ganda nung halter. Kaya lang, yeah. I think it's too tight. Okay, let's see kung magsusukat pa siya. Marami pa siyang naka-line up dun eh. Puro burgundy, so. Ito na yung kay Ate Chess again. Ganda talaga. Bagay sa'yo. Guys, alam niyo si Ate Nick, pag nagme-message kayo sa kanya, meron lang siyang time frame na sumasagot siya. Pag wala na, wala na. Legit mga 10 days later na niya sasagutin. Diba? Ate Nick, reveal mo nga yung business days ko, ilang ka sumasagot.
Mga 3 to 5.
3 to 5 business days. Tapos yung mga reply, mga response time niya, siguro mga 10 minutes, not even, mga 3 minutes lang.
Si Cheska, mas matagal, di na mag-reply. Mag-reply na pag nandiyan ka na. Pag nagawa mo na.
Si Ate Chess, hindi siya magre-reply. Tapos ang rule kay Ate Chess, pag nag-message ka sa kanya, kailangan isang buong message. Pero most of the time, isa lang yung sasagutin niyang message mo. So kung magtatanong ka ng marami, isa lang din yung sasagutin niya, which is yung huli. Ganun si Ate Chess. So anyway, we're gonna buy coffee. We're gonna buy Cooper's BBL. Ito yung kay Mami. Maganda rin siya.
Maganda, maganda.
Tanan!
Si Daddy kasi...
Ay, maganda, maganda.
Ganda.
Mami, harap ka dito.
Maganda.
Ganda, oh. Ganda, oh. Kami ang audience dito.
Kailangan, Mami, ituro kay Sophie kung paano ilagay yan.
Hindi, sama na lang natin si ate.
I-videoan mo to.
What if i-attach na kasi yung brooch? Maganda, maganda, oh.
Ganda.
Ganda. It's really nice. Nilalagay nila yung brooch. Brooch ba tawag dyan?
Maganda.
Yan, oh.
Ganda.
That's
Ganda.
nice. That's the nicest. Yeah, Sophie,
Okay guys, bibili na ni Ate Chess yung yellow na
napabili
dress.
ko si Chess. Kasi-
Wala namang okasyon na paggagamitan niya yun. Pero I'm sure makakahanap siya.
Big butts I
Gin-
cannot lie.
Ginugulo na naman si Je. Mukha ba siyang happy? Happy ka ba, Je?
Big butt.
Okay guys, this is the third option.
Ganda.
It's also really nice. Halter top. And sakto na yung length niya. Hindi na siya kailangan ni alter. Ito lang pala yung options. Maganda siya pareho, pero parang mas burgundy yung first. I really like it. I really like both. Ako gagawa ng mga tali-tali, so baka hindi ko magawa. So, first na lang. Yung first option na lang. Okay, and we have a winner. It's the first one with the brooch. Brooch ba tawag doon? But yeah. Okay, that's it. We're done. Okay, guys. So, we went to Stradivarius and I bought 2 tops. It's for our upcoming trip. Pero next month pa yun. Pero yeah. Also, there's 8 seconds na pala here. Damn. Low-key, namimiss ko na yung Korea. Kakagaling na dun, pero namimiss agad. Now, we're going to Pinkberry for Ate Chess because she wants to buy Froyo. Ako, I'm not sure if I want Froyo or BBL Coopers. So, anyway, we're here. Pinkberry's right there. Wala, I'm not sure. Oh my gosh, here's Pinkberry. We're here. Looks so good.
Mango.
That looks really good. Okay, we're done with Pinkberry. Now we're going to Cooper's. Final na. Okay. BBL. Kasi again, I want something easy, like iniinom lang. So, we're gonna go to Cooper's and then I don't know where we'll go after. But yeah, I'll see you guys there. Okay, we got our order. I got BBL. Sa atin, pina-extra sweet pa niya.
Pero yan, perfect na. That's cool.
Nice. Winner, winner! Let's start.
Okay guys, it is currently 12:30 p.m. and we're here sa
Bijin.
Nabe.
Bijin Nabe? Hot pot. With collagen.
Yes. Dito kami sa Green Hills kasi magpapaderma daw si Ate Viel. Sumama na ako kasi maaga rin naman ako pumunta. So, might as well. Sama ako ang silang dalawa. Siyempre, sino pa ba? Oh, tapos mamaya, dinner na naman. Yes.
Free food all day.
Yes. This is our food.
With collagen.
Yes. Looks so
Tuloy-tuloy lang
good.
ako ah.
Go lang.
Wow.
Damihan kayo.
Wow, wow,
Huwag kang init. Pinagpapawisan ako dyan.
Look at the meat.
Tikman na natin.
Nasa yun?
Tikman na natin. Oh. Sarap siya.
Mas creamy, no?
Like not so spicy.
Gusto mo masagin yung ano?
Huwag baka masyadong maanghang.
Ang sarap. Sakto lang yung spice niya for me.
Good level of spicy.
Yun yung vibes, no? The chili.
Parang good bago.
Ang sarap. Mainit sa labas pero masarap siya. Okay.
Oo nga, ba't tayo nag-hot pot?
Japanese Beauty Hot Pot. Bijin Nabe by Chukada Nojo.
Yeah. Sila ang unang nakataste nito.
Well, ako.
Siya.
Si Kuya Javi pala.
Like the quality of the meat. Iba talaga. Like, thick siya. Perfecto kasi magdaderma ka after. So, naka-open na yung mga pores.
Yeah. Easier for the doctor. Hindi kasi kami nag-hotpot kasi si Mami ayaw niya ng hotpot. Or si Daddy din.
But I think she should try because this is the healthy version of
Yeah.
Sambu.
Tama. Healthier than Samju.
So I would assume pagtapos dito, may glow up na ako. Tapos magte-tennis, so glow down ulit.
Or at least, pag nag-time siya, nakabukas na yung pores.
Ito, electrolytes.
Ang sarap. Iba yung quality ng meat niya compared to Korean beef. Yeah.
Lasang-lasa mo yung flavor. Kahit hindi mo nalagyan.
What's the, ito? Ano to? Mainit pa sa akin eh.
It's a combination of Wagyu, US Angus, and Canadian prime rib.
There. And this is inoki.
Then the soup is the spicy and then the sukiyaki.
Yung nagbibigay ng spot.
Buti pala hindi ko kinain.
This is in Green Hills pala.
Yes. Sa may Gloria Maris.
Yeah.
At tabi din ito, hot pot din. So baka yun yung next namin.
Mamaya.
Mamaya, in a while. Okay guys, we are here sa GH Mall. At tagal ko na hindi nakapunta dito. Ang dami ng bago. Kaya next time, kailangan ko nang mag-ikot dito. It's currently, what time is it? 2:18. And our tennis is at 3. Pero mabilis lang naman yun, kaya.
Yes, kukuha lang kami ng bulk.
Yes, we need to buy tennis balls kasi
Balls.
nagamit
Kasi tatlo
na
lang
namin.
yung balls niya.
Nagamit na namin yung galing kay Coach Billy. Coach Billy, for watching, thanks for the
Yes.
balls. Nagamit
Slaz.
naman namin. It's really good,
So,
actually.
kailangan na nila ng new set.
Yeah.
Kasi lahat nasa river na.
Yes. Ay, Chris Sports tayo or Toby's?
Ano ba daw?
Sige, Chris muna.
Di kasi kami nagko-communicate dito. Kumbaga
Yes.
parang treasure hunt na lang.
Oo.
Hanapan na lang ng isa't isa.
Anong communication is key? Wala naman susi. Ganon.
Yes. Key card.
Kika.
Communication is key card.
Ito yung balls, guys. I've tried all of these. Slaz is good, but for me, Dunlop is
We're in Chris
the
Sports
best.
now. Which
Dunlop is yung AO, yung nakakan. This is the new head. This is good. This nice also. But
But I like this one.
hindi na ako head as a Yonex. Okay, ball secured, y'all. Ay. My shirt is from Puma, and then I'm wearing my Lululemon skirt. Black pink in your area. Okay guys, we got the balls. We're just gonna stop by Toby's. Katabi lang naman. I'm just gonna check if they have Toraline strings. Kasi sa BGC, out of stock sila. Meron silang Yonex na grip, but it's steel. Shocks! Ito yung Toraline. Toraline's right here. Pero, Toraline snapper lang ang meron. Okay, we just finished at Toby's. Meron silang Toraline na strings, pero yung snapper lang. Wasabi yung ginagamit ko. Pero, meron sila nung Yonex na grip. Pero, I don't know if I want teal for my racket.
floor.
Okay, anyway, we're going back now.
Hello, ay hindi.
Kasi it is currently
Bakit?
2:28. So yeah, let's go!
Kamawala.
Ang cute! Guys, we're here sa Disney store.
Nostalgic.
Yeah, ang tagal na namin hindi nagpunta dito. So
Okay.
cute! Okay nga. Hey, slay! Nakakamiss yung Disney store. Ang daming cute na plushies. Low-key.
Dito, Prado.
Ito, si ano. Ang pangalan niya? Si Boo.
Boo-boo.
Shucks! This is it. This is my corner. Ito daw yung sote ni Ate Bel sa Hong Kong.
Magpapaan ako. Very bubbly.
Bibidi babidi Boo.
Ito, Darth Vader.
Ang cute.
Lang
Ay, cute to. Low-key. Gabi, sobrang cute dito talaga sa Disney store. Low-key, Zootopia.
Zootopia.
It's really cute. Nakakamiss talaga Disney store. Super, super. Ito na si Kuya Hams.
Disney Star pa rin ko siya dyan.
With his big backpack. Backpack.
Ulitin ko yan.
Okay, ito na. Final na. We're going back. We're going home.
Go to the tennis court.
Yes. And
The tennis
yeah!
court.
Low-key. Low-key. At this point, it is now.
Tennis
Kasi
court.
talagang gusto na gumawa ng bahay.
Sa tennis court?
Tapos may tennis.
Diba?
Gawa siya ng bahay sa tennis court.
So, may gano'n na. So,
Okay, narinig niyo yan ha. Narinig niyo yan. Gagawa daw siya ng bahay na may tennis court. Narinig niyo yan ha. Hintayin nating mangyari yan.
Tapos, imbes na green, purple.
Yes. Indian Wells, ganon.
Yeah, as far as...
court color nga.
Wow, hindi siya.
Blue, Miami Open.
Mayami mo. Pipili ka lang kung anong gusto mong parang...
Hindi, parang dapat
WTA.
unique.
Dapat unique, oo.
Okay, fuchsia pink.
Fuchsia pink and blue para
Ano
ano,
ba?
gender
Yellow.
reveal.
Oh, hindi mo na nakita yung bola yan.
Hindi mo nakita yung bola. Tama, no? Yellow.
What if neutral, like beige brown?
Kasi aesthetic kami dito eh. So, kailangan neutral, oo. Aabangan natin yan, ha? Mark his words.
No more.
Gusto
Yes.
ko bahay. Bahay, diba?
Oh.
Tapos may pool.
Wow, may pool.
Tapos sa likod, yun yung ano, yung...
Ridge
Tennis
view
court.
local. Tapos sa tennis court, may aircon.
Oh, wow. Gabi, you're ano talaga, setting the
Ito yung
expectations,
house.
ha?
I think tennis court.
Ah, dalawang courts daw, guys. Narinig nyo yan, ah.